loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking. Thank you so much for always coming to watch my videos. So on today's video, I am going to cook the fufu. Fufu is a Nigerian food. They are well known with the fufu. So for the first time, I'm going to try it. So in case you're new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to give the video a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. So into it. Remember, I'm at coastal part of Kenya. This is called kinu, a tool that we will use to pound the cassava and the plantain separately. So when you want to cook fufu, you need two things, and that is the plantain and the cassava, you know. So this plantain it's kind of matoke, you know. Yeah. So I'm going to peel off this cassava and slice them into small pieces so that it becomes easy for me to pound them. Okay. Juliana. Now that I am done peeling and slicing the cassava into the desired pieces, let's wash it. By the way guys, did you know that you can eat this thing raw, like not like uncooked, just like this? It's yummy. Let us now slice the plantain. The reason as to why I'm not peeling it, it's because I don't want its liquid to stick on my hands and I don't want to use cooking oil. In this case, cooking oil always plays a good role in that when you apply them on your hands and the knife, the liquid is not going to stick on your hands, but at the moment I don't want to use it. Nema is now making fire. Once she is done, she will place the cassava and the plantain on the fireplace. And after 30 minutes, our meal is ready to be pounded. Oh my goodness, look at that. It's very soft and tender. Let us now begin the tough job. With the little water beside, I'll dip my hand as I keep turning the paste while the other person is bashing the pieces bit by bit. Guys, this is our first time preparing fufu. You know, we are Kenyans. We are Kenyans, and we don't know how to do this thing. We are just trying, and actually we have done our best. That is what I can say. So if you know how to cook fufu, please do not do not pinpoint us. It is our very first time, and I think we did our best. Just forgive us for where we did not go right. Just forgive us, okay? This is my friend Nema. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, hi. Just forgive us. We are Kenyans, and that was the best we did to prepare fufu. So yeah, that is it, guys. So in case you have not yet give the video a like, kindly consider doing so. Give it a like, subscribe, comment, and let us know what you think about today's video, okay? Nema is now preparing the okra and eggplants to make the stew. This is garlic. Nema will then add green pepper and tomato respectively. Wow, just have a look at this stew. It's very, very tasty. Welcome all, let's enjoy this together. And this marks the end of video today. Let me know where you're watching from and what you think about today's video. Bye bye till we meet in the next. I love you all.